Hi everyone, this is Kai from RC Rocks. Today I will show you best free AI background maker tool. Let's get started. First of all, I am searching background maker tool. Open this Adobe free background maker tool. Uh, Press create now. Then select any layout here. I'm selecting this layout and delete this one. Then add one image. Such as example, here upload from my desktop. Add this image. Look, this image has a background. No problem. I am removing this image background. Press here, remove background. In a second, your image background is removed. Now drag and drop it. A little bit big for good looking purpose, nothing else. Look, completely background image is changed. For download purpose, press download. Press again download. Check, my new image background is here. That's it.